In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that whenever you create credit memos, these are going to get applied automatically unless you change your settings, okay? So let's change our settings just so I can show you how to do this manually. You want to go to Settings up top right, and then click on Account and Settings. Then you want to go to the Advanced tab over here on the left, and you want to scroll down to Automation and click on this Edit button. And from here where it says Automatically Apply Credits, you want to toggle this off. So just like this, you want it grayed out and click on Save. Whenever you do this, you then want to go to the X button top right to go back. And of course, first you want to create a credit memo you want to apply. So I'm going to go to Create over here, and then of course you could do Credit Memo. And here you can select your customers. I have some demo customers in here from the test drive of QuickBooks. And then here, of course, you want to match it to product and service that is, of course, equal on your invoice. So you want to do whatever you have over here and then just save and close your credit memo. Now, whenever you've done that, then let me just leave without saving right now because I have one already prepared. Then you want to go to All Apps. You want to go to Customer Hub and click on Customers and Leads. Now you want to select the customer you want to, of course, apply this to. So I'm going to go to Amy's Bird Sanctuary over here, and I'm going to click on Receive Payment. Now, because we set this to actually be manual, down here at the bottom, you'll see we now have credits, okay? So these are the credits, but before it wasn't actually showing, and that is because, of course, I had that automatic. So what you want to do, when you turn that, as I showed you at the beginning, off, it's going to show you this option over here, and then to actually apply a credit memo, you have to simply select the invoice over here, and then of course you can select the credit memo as well, and then click on record or record and close, and that's essentially how to apply a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.